Hey guys, it's Meg and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do something a bit different as it's back to school season. So this video will be the first of another mini-series creating a bullet journal school planner. The pages are going to be fairly simple but hopefully they'll look really effective. So let's get started. So for today's video I thought we could just start out by creating the first double page spread starting with the left hand page. So here I've decided I would create a page that looks like it's from a lined paper notebook, and I'm also going to be using little post-it illustrations throughout this journal to tie in with the back to school theme. And so in the top left hand corner I've drawn a post-it with a pin to look as though it's been pinned to the page, and in here I'm just writing goals for the year in kind of a scruffy handwriting to tie in with the notebook aesthetic. I drew this in pencil first and then went over the top in pen. And then it's time to add the details to the background of this page to make it look like a lined notebook. I've used a black pen across the top, red down the left hand side to create the margin, and then a light blue colour to draw the lines. Then just rub out any pencil lines that have been left behind and we're ready to add some colour. Here I'm just going to use a yellow pencil to colour in the background of the post-it note just to make it look as realistic as possible, and then I'm going to fill in the goals block lettering with black scribble just to add to the scruffy note-taking theme. I also then colour in the little heart and the pin in red, and finally add a bit of light shading to the right and bottom sides of the post-it note to create a shadow, again to give it a realistic look. Now moving on to the right hand page, I start by sketching out the letters to write School Planner as the title. I'm using basic lettering for the word school, but I'm making the letters look slightly jumbled. Then for the word planner underneath, just to give a bit of variety, I'm doing this in a straight font, which I will use a ruler for when I come to do it in pen. Once I know I've spaced the letters correctly, I go back over these to outline them to create the exact shape that I want. Then when I've got it how I want it, I go over the top in pen and rub out any pencil lines that get left behind. And now I'm going to draw a small rectangle above the title, with two smaller rectangles on a diagonal on two opposite corners. This is meant to make it look like a little note that has been stuck onto the page using tape. Then in the bottom right hand corner I'm creating another post-it note type shape, which I'm also attaching with a small rectangle to make it look like tape again. When I'm happy with these, I then go over the top in pen and rub out the pencil underneath. Then it's time to colour in the school lettering. I'm just using some solid bright colours that remind me of a school theme. As you can see here, I'm using green, blue, red, yellow and orange. I then go over the planner lettering in a thicker black pen just to help it stand out, and then I start adding in the smaller details. I then fill in my name in the top rectangle and I put the year in the bottom post-it note. And finally I colour in the post-it note in pink and I colour the tape in yellow. And just to add a little more detail, I add two lines in the space beneath the title which you can fill in with your school year group. Of course I'm not actually in year 8, but this was just as an example for you to see how it looks. After adding a shadow beneath the post-it note, it's all finished. I really like how it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first of a new mini-series creating a school planner bullet journal, so make sure you like and subscribe if you'd like to stick around for the next episode, which will be making a timetable spread. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.